The Cassini mission to the Saturn system has captivated people around the globe. Not only was it a remarkable engineering achievement, but it also had ambitious mission objectives. This highly successful mission provided some of the most stunning images of space we've ever seen. Hello and welcome to ZE. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Over 13 years, Cassini sent back an astonishing 635 gigabytes of data, leading to more than 4,000 published scientific papers. It discovered 6 new moons and confirmed that some icy moons have subsurface oceans of salty liquid water that could potentially be habitable. Cassini also landed a probe on Titan, observed Saturn's unique storms, and traveled over 7 billion kilometers. In my view, and likely in the view of many of you, it was one of the greatest missions of all time. While I've covered much of the Cassini mission in previous videos, many of you have been eager to see the images captured near the mission's end before it entered Saturn's atmosphere and disintegrated. Although Cassini couldn't capture real-time video, these final images are still fantastic and worth exploring. I'm Alex McColgan, and you're watching Astrum. Today, we'll discuss the final images Cassini took. The mission's last phase, the grand finale, involved some of the most perilous maneuvers. Mission controllers directed Cassini into an eccentric elliptical orbit over Saturn's poles and through gaps in the rings. The final orbits brought it closer to Saturn's surface than ever before, providing scientists with a fresh perspective. The first time-lapse we'll examine is from September 8, 2017. Just a week before Cassini's mission ended, Cassini focused heavily on Enceladus, a moon that could harbor life in its subsurface ocean. It discovered over 100 water plumes erupting through Enceladus's crust, which freeze in space and contribute to the E-ring around Saturn. This ring, only visible when backlit by the sun, is possibly the bluest naturally occurring object in the solar system. Here, you can see how Enceladus affects the densest part of the E-ring, with plumes disturbing and replenishing it. Cassini's final observation of Enceladus's plumes was captured in a remarkable 14-hour time-lapse. On September 11th, Cassini, at the furthest point of its final orbit, captured a beautiful mosaic in natural light. The thickest of Saturn's rings, D, C, B, A, and F, are visible, with Saturn's short shadow cast over them. During this time, Saturn's northern hemisphere was in summer, showcasing the famous hexagon storm. The night side of Saturn is dimly lit due to light reflecting off the rings, meaning nights in the sun-facing hemisphere aren't very dark. Beneath the ring glow, Saturn is pitch black. As Cassini approached Saturn again on September 12th, it captured images of Saturn's atmosphere near the terminator line. With the sun low in the sky, huge cloud structures cast shadows stretching for many kilometers. This scene spans about 5,500 kilometers, large enough to fit Saturn's moon Titan. On September 13th, Cassini took one last look at Daphnis, a shepherd moon keeping the A-ring in check. The moon's gravity creates ripples in the ring, visible both in front of and behind Daphnis. These ripples, caused by different orbital speeds of the rings and the moon, smooth out by the time the ring material reaches Daphnis again. That same day, Cassini captured a view of Titan, a moon with a thick nitrogen atmosphere, and Saturn's rings, including the uneven F-ring. As Saturn grew larger in view, Cassini took one last look at Enceladus over a 40-minute period before it disappeared behind Saturn. The final image Cassini took was of the region where it would enter Saturn's atmosphere, illuminated by ring light. On the final day, photos were not a priority. Scientists focused on collecting real-time data as Cassini entered Saturn's atmosphere. Traveling at 123,000 kilometers per hour, Cassini used its remaining fuel to keep its antenna aimed at Earth. As it descended, the atmosphere heated Cassini, causing it to lose control and tumble, cutting off communication. Cassini's onboard computers would have attempted to correct the spin, but ultimately, the spacecraft disintegrated in Saturn's atmosphere. Data from this final phase arrived on Earth 90 minutes later and was considered a great success. Cassini recorded data on Saturn's atmosphere, ionosphere, dust particles, and magnetic field. The mission continues to yield new discoveries as scientists analyze and re-examine the data. The exploration of Saturn doesn't end here. The upcoming Dragonfly mission will send a drone powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator to Titan to sample its surface in various locations. That's a look at Cassini's legacy and its final images. Did you know that spacecraft use the Deep Space Network to communicate with Earth? These facilities ensure data transmission regardless of Earth's orientation. Similarly, you send and receive data over the internet, some of which you want to keep secure, like credit card and personal information. NordVPN offers double encryption to protect your data, even at public places like airports and coffee shops. Available worldwide, including in China, NordVPN allows up to 6 simultaneous connections, ensuring you and your family can access streaming services abroad with unlimited bandwidth. Use the link nordvpn.org/astrum and the coupon code ASTRUM for 70% off a 3-year plan, plus an additional month free. For more info, check the link to NordVPN's YouTube channel in the description. When the Cassini spacecraft sent its final images of Saturn back to Earth, I found myself awestruck by the sheer beauty and complexity of the planet and its rings. Cassini's mission, which spanned nearly 2 decades, provided a wealth of information and images, but the last pictures taken during its grand finale were particularly poignant and mesmerizing. Cassini was launched in 1997 and arrived at Saturn in 2004, embarking on a detailed study of the planet, its rings, and its moons. Over the years, the spacecraft transmitted countless images that showcased Saturn's dynamic atmosphere, the intricate structure of its rings, and the diverse landscapes of its moons. Yet, it was the final phase of the mission that truly captivated my imagination. During Cassini's grand finale, the spacecraft performed a series of daring dives between Saturn and its innermost ring. This maneuver allowed Cassini to capture unprecedented close-up views of the planet and its rings. The images from these final orbits revealed details that had never been seen before. The delicate patterns in the rings, the swirling clouds in Saturn's atmosphere, and the mysterious hexagon-shaped storm at the planet's North Pole. One of the most stunning images captured by Cassini during its final moments was a view of Saturn's rings backlit by the sun. The rings, illuminated from behind, glowed with an ethereal light, highlighting their structure and the subtle variations in their composition. This image not only showcased the rings' beauty, but also hinted at the complexity of the processes that shaped them. Another image that left a lasting impression on me was a close-up of Saturn's atmosphere, showing the intricate cloud patterns and the vibrant colors of the planet's gases. The image captured the dynamic nature of Saturn's weather systems, with storms and jet streams creating a mesmerizing tapestry of movement and color. This view provided a glimpse into the powerful forces at work in Saturn's atmosphere and underscored the planet's status as a giant, dynamic world. Cassini's final images also included breathtaking views of Saturn's moons. One particularly striking image was of Enceladus, a small moon with a surface covered in ice. The image revealed geysers of water vapor erupting from cracks in the moon's surface, hinting at a subsurface ocean that could potentially harbor life. This discovery was one of Cassini's most significant contributions to our understanding of the solar system, and the final images of Enceladus served as a powerful reminder of the mission's scientific achievements. As Cassini made its final plunge into Saturn's atmosphere, it continued to send back data and images until the very end. The last image captured by the spacecraft was a grainy view of the planet's atmosphere, taken just before Cassini was destroyed. This final picture, though not as visually stunning as some of the others, carried a deep emotional weight. It marked the end of an era in planetary exploration and served as a testament to the incredible achievements of the Cassini mission. Reflecting on Cassini's final images, I am filled with a sense of wonder and admiration for the spacecraft and the team that made the mission possible. The images captured during the grand finale are a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, showcasing the beauty and complexity of Saturn in ways that were previously unimaginable. They have expanded our understanding of the solar system and inspired a new generation of scientists and explorers. In conclusion, the final images of Saturn taken by NASA's Cassini spacecraft are more than just pictures. They are a legacy of a mission that pushed the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration. These images have the power to inspire and captivate, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the universe and our place within it. Cassini's grand finale was a fitting end to an extraordinary mission, and its images will continue to inspire awe and wonder for years to come. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. Astromerch is now live. Find the link in the description and use the discount code ELIBIRD for a 15% discount until June 30th. I hope you like it. All the best, and see you next time.